The Animal Parade. On a very still night, deep in the woods, I close my eyes. I sleep with peace. Wrapped up in a warm woolen blanket, I am cozy in my cabin. The comfort of the roaring fire keeps my mind calm. The world so close, but yet so far away. Outside, the animals roam. From dusk until dawn, the sun descends. It's their time to wander in the woods. While I lay still, my mind drifts off, dreaming. Day has turned into night. As the cabin lights dim, the crunching of the hardened winter snow creates a beat as night becomes the playground of the wild ones. Thick logs insulate me. Outside it is their domain. Animals must reign. The mighty moose struts down the lower path. She appears gentle, yet watchful. One baby, then another follows. They believe they rule the forest. The nearby stream roars as the water flows by. Darkness descends. A sudden wind startles them as they gallop off into the night. Snow blankets the path as the bobcat appears. He is sleek and nimble. Delicate yet powerful strides. Suddenly his eyes dart as he senses movement. Aware of the mighty one, he swiftly claws himself up the barren aspen tree. The trotting turkeys prance along the path. They too roam these woods, each animal playing his or her part. They quickly scurry away as they fear their predators are near. The tiniest bunny hops out. He is hungry as the winter has been long and cold. Food is scarce. He looks for tidbits to nibble on. His mom signals for him to return home. The wind roars as the bear makes her grand entrance. Each giant stride takes her along the path closer to our cabin. She believes that she is the queen of the forest. The scent of the moose, the bobcat, the turkey, and the rabbit linger. Bewildered, she gives her cubs a nudge. Time to return to their den. I twist and turn most of the night, unaware of the menagerie right outside my doorstep. Night turns into day. I wake up and step outside. I look up at the path above the cabin. The fresh snow covers the footprints of the night intruders. A squirrel catches my eye. He nods his head. The tall spruce sways in a majestic way. The sun shines to make room for a new